takes just 30 seconds to make a positive difference to our planet by tackling the ever-growing waste fridge problem. Come inside and let's see how. EMR Darlaston is revolutionising fridge recycling. We've implemented robotic separation systems and efficient technology to support our skilled team in recycling one fridge every 30 seconds, making sure more materials make their way back into the circular economy.
We take pride in recycling more fridges than anyone else in the UK.
Our commitment to achieve the highest standard in fridge recycling has led us here to this first of its kind facility.
Sustainability is at the core of our mission.
This facility plays a crucial role in EMR's company-wide journey towards greater efficiency and reduced environmental impact.
At EMR Darlaston, we're changing what people believe to be possible. This is not just a recycling plant, it's a symbol of innovation, a commitment to the environment and a brighter, greener future.